everybody.
Howdy, howdy.
We're here at
Angels Camp.
California, where the gold rush pretty much started.
Yes.
So we're gonna walk
Foothills
around.
of Sierra Nevada.
Yeah, and we're gonna walk around this little downtown and check it out.
Yeah, come along with us. Historical Angels Camp parking.
My bar. Look, honey, it's my bar. Psychic readings. What a cute town. Over there's the Wild West Western Wear Emporium and the Gold Rush Originals, gold panning tours. Hit that up on our way back. Movie theater. Here we can open up a little shop right here. Here's a little barber shop. Want to get your hair cut?
Why you take me to the barber shop?
It's tough. It's a restaurant. Nope, they're open. Those are cute. Their thing here is Leaping Frog.
Angels Camp, California. Mark Twain wrote a Jumping Frog book here. But on the streets, they have the winners of the frog contest. 19 feet, 5.5 inches. 2013. We have, shh, don't tell Morgan. Jumped 20 feet, 10 inches. Holy smokes. How's it going?
We're based on 3 jumps.
Wow. That is awesome. Here we have 4 feet. 19.1.
Well, here's another place. Nellie Lou's Antiques. Let's go in here.
Size 9B.
Angels Camp Mercantile. Independent Order of Oddfellows. Consignment.
That's left behind a slum. The story behind every track.
Body shop. Fitness and training studio. If you're looking, it's working. Cocktails. Stirred and shaken craft cocktails. Cute. This is the end. There's some more of those frogs. Okay, now we're on the other side of the road. That's where we were. Crafty Chicks Company with crafty dude designs. Cute.
We are gonna have to go.
These are people that were in the race, Slowpoke, 1946. Can't take it. Here's the world record holder. 1984 world record, Weird Harold, 21 and 1.5 inches.
That's the second one from Oregon.
The salon.
Santa Maria.
The Flores. No, I don't know what it is. Looks like, oh, lots of gems. Gemstones. Stories in stone.
Those are fossils.
There is their movie theater that we walked by. We're not going to a bar right now. Honey? ADU home business. 339,000. 384,000. Well, these are not bad prices.
625.
33,000 for some property.
Quarter of an acre. Uh-oh.
Here's their Western store. Those are cool boots.
Yeah.
Cooler than you think. Ariat. Alright, we're gonna go in here. Wines by region. Post office. Frogs everywhere. So that was our downtown walk in Angels Camp.
Yes, it's very interesting. They had some good shops in town. So, until next time.
See you soon.